Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest decisions Worcester homeowners can make. With New England's cold winters, humid summers, and fluctuating temperatures, well-installed windows don't just improve comfort, they also help keep energy bills under control. If you're considering new windows or want to ensure your installation delivers maximum performance, these practical tips will guide you toward making the most of your investment. Choose the right energy-efficient window features before focusing on installation. It's essential to select windows designed to withstand Worcester's climate. Look for low-E glass coatings. These thin, invisible layers reflect heat inside during winter and outside during summer, helping regulate indoor temperatures. Double or triple glazing. Multi-pane windows provide superior insulation and reduce heat transfer, minimizing drafts and energy loss. Gas-filled panes. Argon or krypton gas between panes boosts insulation, making your home more comfortable year-round. Energy Star ratings. Always check for Energy Star certified windows appropriate for the Northeast region for reliable energy performance. Choosing the right combination of features ensures your installation starts with high-quality materials built for efficiency. Prepare your home for a smooth installation. Proper preparation helps ensure a fast, stress-free installation and better long-term results. Before the installers arrive, clear furniture, decor, and window coverings from the installation area. Make sure pets and children are safely away from work zones. Confirm a path from the entrance to each window for easy access. Discuss project expectations with your installer, including start times, duration, and cleanup procedures. This simple prep work allows installers to focus entirely on precision and quality. Ensure proper measurement for a perfect fit. One of the most important factors in energy-efficient window performance is sizing. Even the most advanced window will underperform if measurements are off by even a fraction of an inch. Professional installers measure the opening at several points to account for shifts in framing, settling, or irregularities common in older Worcester homes. Tight, accurate fitting reduces gaps that cause drafts and condensation, helping your windows deliver the energy savings you expect. Use high-quality materials during installation. The materials used during installation matter just as much as the windows themselves. Insulation foam, sealants, weather stripping, and flashing should all be high quality and suited for Massachusetts' variable weather. A reliable installer will employ premium foam insulation to fill small gaps around the frame. Durable exterior caulking designed for moisture resistance. Proper flashing to protect against water intrusion and ice buildup. These materials help preserve your window's efficiency and protect your home from future leaks or damage. Prioritize professional installation for best results. DIY installation may seem appealing, but energy-efficient windows require the expertise of trained professionals. Poor installation can lead to drafts, reduced insulation, and voided warranties. Worcester's weather conditions demand proper sealing, leveling, and insulation techniques to ensure the windows perform as designed. Professional installers have the tools, training, and experience to correctly remove old windows without damaging surrounding structures. Secure new frames perfectly square and level. Apply weatherproofing materials correctly. Guarantee a tight, insulated fit. Choosing a trusted Worcester window company ensures long-term energy savings and peace of mind. Seal and insulate thoroughly. Even small gaps around the window can lead to heat loss. After the windows are installed, the team should carefully inspect edges, frames, and trim. Using foam insulation in hidden gaps and applying exterior-grade caulking helps protect against drafts and moisture. Proper sealing also helps maintain indoor comfort in both summer and winter. Maintain your windows for lasting efficiency after installation. Regular maintenance helps preserve energy performance. Clean tracks, inspect caulking, check locks, and keep weep holes clear. If you notice drafts or condensation between panes, contact your installer quickly to address any issues under warranty. Energy-efficient window installation is one of the best ways to enhance your Worcester home's comfort, appearance, and energy savings. With the right windows, skilled installation, and proper maintenance, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment every season.